love you tomorrow. I wanna love you forever. Papi mukwano,
hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Guye and you're watching Guye TV. So today we are doing a review on the Fenty Beauty Concealer, The Cure. So happy 2019, first video on my channel this year, and hope you guys enjoy it. If you are new here, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and join the family. I do a lot of lifestyle videos and beauty videos and a lot of chit chats and, you know, deep conversations here and there. And this year we're just gonna keep getting into it, getting deeper, getting personal and all that stuff. So if that's the kind of content you like, subscribe. But yeah, let's not talk more. Let's get into this video. So I already did my eyebrows and I did it with just like an eyebrow pencil, and then I went over it with my Anastasia by Beverly Hill Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony. And then I used the Collab concealer in Cocoa and Truffle, and this is only available in Sally's Beauty. If you guys want this, it's a really good one. It makes my it's so close to my skin tone that it almost looks super natural. So if you guys want a good concealer that kind of matches your skin more than anything, Collab is a good brand for that. So first I'm going to go in with some primer, and I'm going to use the Collab primer, and this is the Fundamental Smoothing Primer. So I'm going to use that. And I love this primer because it feels like lotion on your face, literally. Like I said, it feels like really light lotion, and I don't feel like it's clogging my pores. I don't feel like there's too much on my face. It's just a nice light mix to it. And for foundation, I am just going to use, what should I use? I'm going to use my Collab foundation. It is the Meet Your Matte foundation in the shade 12. So that's also Truffle. It's darkest shade of that brand. So I'm going to use that. And with this primer, you don't, not primer, jeez. That's how you know it's been a while. This foundation, you don't have to do too much. So just kind of squirt a little bit here and there, and it does the job. You see that? Like barely any, and like one pump did this part of my face.
Today, I wanna love you today. Girl, I wanna love you tomorrow. I wanna love.
So I really love the finish of this foundation. Like I said, it looks so natural. It's so matte, but it's not drying, and I think that's super important because I hate foundations that are matte, which they're supposed to be drying, but like your face feels like it's like, I don't know, dried off. But I like it. Okay, and then for eyeshadow, I'm gonna use my Collab palette in the shade, what's it called, Best of the Day. And I'm just gonna use the darkest shade here just for my eyes. Like my eyes are gonna be so natural today. I'm not trying to be extra, not trying to do too much. We're just trying to look like we belong at the crib, you know what I'm saying? We might do a little bit something, but not too much. I think I'm going to use this going to use this red color. It's not here. Maybe like on my bottom, on my lid. Let's see. Gonna add a little bit of concealer. We'll see how it works. If it doesn't, then it doesn't, you know. Oh, Jesus.
Today, I wanna love you today. Girl, I wanna love you tomorrow.
Dip. I hope it turns out the way I'm thinking. Okay. Okay, just need some blending. And honestly, I think I'm just gonna use the same brush to just blend it into my crease line. Alright guys, I am back. So we're gonna get into the concealer, the finale, what you guys have been waiting for. So I went to Sephora, did this shopped at Sephora, and the Sephora that I was at only has up to shade 470, and I wanted to try the new foundations. I'm not sure if they had put it out at that time, but I really wanted to try like 498 because my regular shade, the first one I got from Fenty Beauty was, I think it was a 480, so it's 490, so I was 480 I believe. Currently can't find my Fenty Beauty foundation. Oh, here it is. What was it? Yeah, 480, so I wanted that shade, but they didn't have it, so I got shade 470 because like he tried on both my cheeks without any foundation or anything, and that's what he decided. So this is supposed to be really it's gonna be like instant retouch. It's supposed to be a little bit creamy, not too matte, and I think it is a full coverage concealer, so we're just gonna try it out and see how I feel about it. Oh gosh, my lash is coming off. Ooh, it is creamy. And I'm a person, like, I used to be really heavy on concealer. Now, not so much. Like, I like the bare minimum. I really do. Just want a little bit more. I already like how it's looking. Just a little bit more there. So I really like how it looks. Like my face, you can tell it's glowing. You can see the different shades. I really like this shade. I thought it'd be a darker shade, but to my surprise, 470 is it. I mean, I think I can always go like a shade darker, but I could definitely do like a little bit darker, like one shade up would be the perfect shade. Okay, so my face is almost together. The last thing I need is some lipstick. I am really not sure what to do as far as lips with this look, but y'all know I love my nudes. And then add some FENTY gloss bomb all on top. Okay guys, so this is the final look. The final look. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. As far as the concealer, honestly, it does what it says it's supposed to. I like it. It gives me a glow, but it doesn't give me dry, like headlights, deer in headlights, like oh, you know she's wearing concealer, but it just kind of like blends in with my makeup. And I'm not even wearing a Fenty foundation, so that says a lot, because I wanted to try it with a different foundation brand to see how it kind of works with it. But it literally like melted right into it, and you can definitely tell I'm wearing a concealer, but I don't look like I'm dry or like matte or anything like that that's like out of the ordinary or just like awkward. You do have to work fast when you are just applying the concealer to your face, but I give this a 10 out of 10. It was $26, I believe, and it's worth the coins. I would buy it. I would buy it again. Like I said, I got the shade 470. I could definitely go a shade darker if I really wanted to. I wanted more like a subtle, more natural look. I mean, I don't think this is too much still, but you know, it depends on who you are. Some people may think this is too much, some people may not. I don't know. To me, it's just perfect. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and join the family. If you guys want me to try the pressing powder or anything else, let me know. I'll have all the products I use in the description below. So if you're interested in getting any of that, let me know. Last thing, what do you guys think about the new hair? What do y'all think? So I told myself 2019 would be a year of showing more of my face, less hair over here and more back there. So my first time trying a fake ponytail, I don't know what you call them, high tail ponytail something, but first time trying it. My hair is very short, so I like slicked it back. It's my first time doing it, so don't come for me. But yeah, you know, I'm just trying new things, all about getting out there and getting out of your comfort zone. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.